Hi guys, welcome back to Lex Expensive Fix. So today's video I'm working on my brother's car, the Infiniti G35. She has a power steering leak, the high pressure leaking. So I found where is the leak. So what I did, I got a hose like this one here, and I open it in the size like that. You see? Open it like this, size like that. And I got the clamp. This is the size of the clamp if you want to, the same thing. And the leak, no leak anymore. So I show you what I did. Stay with me. So guys, this is what I did. This is the power steering leak. So I put the clamp there, and I put like 4 clamps on the place was leaking, and they have no leak anymore. So I drive the car, and if it's gonna be a leak, it's gonna be a slow leak, not there's no like before. And until I fix that piece, because that piece costs $300. If I buy from Amazon, is almost cheaper. It's like $50, but it's a big job. So guys, let me know in the comments what do you think about this idea. So like that, I save them a lot of money just for now. How did you see, guys? It's easy job just to do it by yourself until you get the parts. So for now, just drive the car like that. I have no issue, no problem for that. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like that will show more tricks. Stay with me. Bye.